What's the meaning of bullshit? Bullshit. Bullshit.
Bullshit. Bullshit. Bullshit is a slang term used to describe something that is false or ridiculous. It can refer to speech, writing, or behavior that is deceptive or lacking in substance. When someone engages in bullshit, they are either deliberately misleading others or making statements that are not based on fact or evidence. The result of bullshit is often confusion, frustration, and a lack of trust between individuals or groups. It can also lead to misunderstandings and incorrect assumptions, which can have negative consequences for everyone involved.